When it comes to safeguarding your home and family, choosing the right security features is crucial. One of the most effective ways to enhance your home's security is by investing in professional window replacement in Ferndale, especially when it involves high-quality security doors. Not only do they provide an additional layer of protection, but they also offer peace of mind, knowing that your home is safe from potential threats. The importance of security doors. Security doors are specially designed to provide maximum protection from intruders. They are made of strong materials such as steel or reinforced aluminum, and are often equipped with high-grade locks and advanced security features. These doors act as a formidable barrier against break-ins, helping to keep your family safe and secure. In Ferndale, where many homeowners prioritize safety and comfort, installing a security door is a practical and worthwhile investment. Whether you live in a quiet residential area or a bustling neighborhood, having the right security door can make all the difference. With an increasing number of home burglaries in urban areas, it's essential to ensure that your home is protected from these risks. Why professional window replacement matters. When considering window replacement, the installation of security doors should not be overlooked. Professional window replacement services in Ferndale are designed to ensure that your windows and doors are not only aesthetically pleasing but also functional and secure. Here's why it matters to hire professionals. Expert installation. Professional window replacement companies employ skilled technicians who are experienced in installing security doors. This ensures that your door fits properly, operates smoothly, and adheres to all safety standards. DIY installations or amateur attempts can lead to gaps, improper seals, and faulty locking mechanisms, which can compromise your home's security. Quality materials. Opting for professional window replacement services guarantees the use of high-quality materials. Security doors require specific materials like reinforced steel, tamper-resistant glass, and heavy-duty frames. Professionals source durable, top-tier products that are built to withstand any intrusion attempt, ensuring that you get the best protection for your investment. Customized solutions. Every home has unique requirements, and professional installers understand that. Whether you need a door with specific security features, a door that complements your home's style, or a custom design to fit unusual window sizes, professional services can offer tailored solutions. They'll assess your home's layout and provide doors that not only enhance security but also match your aesthetic preferences. Long-term durability. Security doors that are professionally installed are more likely to stand the test of time. By choosing experts in window replacement, you ensure that your security doors will last longer without the need for frequent repairs or replacements. The longevity of these doors means your investment continues to provide value and protection for years to come. Energy efficiency benefits. Aside from enhancing security, professional window replacement in Ferndale can also improve your home's energy efficiency. When security doors are installed properly, they are designed to create tight seals that prevent drafts and temperature fluctuations. This leads to more stable indoor temperatures, reducing the strain on your heating and cooling systems. As a result, You could see a decrease in energy bills while simultaneously enhancing the comfort of your home. Aesthetic appeal. Security doors no longer have to look like heavy, industrial barriers. Today's designs are sleek, modern, and can be customized to suit the aesthetics of any home. Professional installers will ensure that your new security door doesn't just enhance the safety of your property, but also adds curb appeal. Whether you prefer a contemporary look or a more classic design, you can find options that will complement the architecture of your home while keeping it secure. Conclusion. Choosing professional window replacement services in Ferndale, particularly when it comes to installing security doors, is a smart decision for any homeowner looking to boost the safety, comfort, and style of their property. With expert installation, quality materials, and tailored solutions, professional services ensure that your home remains well protected while enhancing its overall appeal. Don't compromise when it comes to security. Opt for the peace of mind that comes with investing in high-quality security doors and professional window replacement.